So for 1.4 crore rupees, would you buy a teeny tiny flat in suburban Mumbai or buy a house on wheels? That's the question Mercedes-Benz is asking of you. This is the V-Class Marco Polo. Now, how is it different from the regular V-Class? Well, it is more expensive, but for that, you get a kitchenette. You get a lovely car to drive, obviously. You get lots of space, and when the mood strikes you, you can raise the roof and you get a full sleeping area up top. This car, you can take it to the mountains, you can take it to the deserts. Now when you drive up to Ladakh, you get these small little tank camps that you stay in. Here, you stop where you feel like. You have luxury while driving, luxury while sleeping. It is a very unique concept. Mercedes-Benz is saying there are a lot of their customers that like the wild outdoors, that have that streak of adventure in them, and this perfectly fits in their lifestyle. The V-Class, we drove it recently to the Run of Kutch. It is great to drive on the highways, stable, planted like all Mercedes-Benzes, and also very, very comfortable. Look at the amount of space that I have out here. Will we see Marco Polos up in the deserts or in the Himalayas? Who knows? But this is something that we will be taking very soon out on the road. Subscribe to the Evo India channel and hit the bell icon to keep pace with the thrill of driving.